Welcome back, everybody. You're watching Big Sky Diamond Painting. It's me, Bronwyn, with a unboxing of a Diamond Art Club new release. This is, I'm filming this the same day that I filmed my clearance haul, which I may actually upload after this. Fun story. I ordered this the weekend it came out for Diamond and Ruby subscribers. I did dawdle a little bit, and I also ordered it along with Space for Reflection by Chuck Pinson. Unfortunately, I got the email from Diamond Art Club that my Space for Reflection had been damaged. I'm sure they just accidentally oversold it, and that was their generic form email, but I appreciate that they personalize it like that. So they refunded me for that, and I still got this painting. So we are going to get right into it. No Diamond Art Club box and no Diamond Art Club tape. I don't know if that's permanent since their move of warehouses, or if they just don't have the new warehouse stocked with the packing stuff yet, but you know, it's not a big deal. All right, let's get this beauty out of the box. We'll put that aside. And of course, this is Ice Princess from their newest newer artist, Hannah Lynn. They have quite a few new artists, so I can't exactly call her the newest artist. She does seem to be the one everybody is kind of excited about, though. I am, like everyone, waiting for Trixie to come out because that one's probably definitely my favorite. This one's a close second, though. And Diamond Art Club has already said that they're recharting this, doing a smaller section because they weren't happy with how the full painting came out. I thought that the chart, anyway, I haven't seen it finished, but I thought the chart looked fine. But that seems to be my experience. I seem to think that Diamond Art Club does just fine charting things in a smaller size, and it looks okay. So I was like, well, this is the first run, quote unquote. I better buy it. And also, they're giving it a discount, so why not? Alright, so let's get her out of the box. And this is the newer box with the snowflakes. Alright, so since this one's on its own, I will do a proper kit unboxing. So this is the Diamond Art Club kit. Comes in a sturdy baggie that's semi-translucent. They now have, excuse me, oh my goodness, they now have the kits divided, so there's round tool kits and square tool kits. This one's a round because it's a round painting. If you heard that, that's my cat. He's begging for food. So it comes with the magic applicator, which is just your drill pen. Comes with a multi-placer. It's a 3-placer, usually. Once in a while, I'll see a 6-placer thrown in there, but I think generally they put the 3-placer. I don't know if they officially ever did that. You get a comfort grip. This one fits pretty good. Again, as I've said before, I don't generally use these, but they do help if you are needing to use this pen. The grip helps to keep it from hurting. You get some baggies. There's actually more baggies than normal in this one, so that's exciting. You have 2 plates of wax that are heart-shaped. This is very good wax. I do suggest you use it. If you use blue tack or whatever and you just don't like using pink wax, that's fine. But if you're using pink wax, this is really good pink wax. And then you get a clear tray with a funnel. For basic trays, these are my favorite kind of basic trays. Not necessarily like the clear Diamond Art Club trays, but like if for a tray this size that is like your basic, comes with the kit tray. I like the kind with a funnel. If I'm talking about my favorite brand of tray like this, Mofsa is my favorite. Mosfa is my favorite one because it has the lines that line up there instead of going straight across. Somebody did a really good video on different kinds of trays, but I can't remember who it is. I'll try to put their name in here if I can find it. But I like having the funnel. Some people I know have trouble, but I just hold it like this when I'm shaking, or I can also I just plug it with my finger. I don't have much trouble with it. Alright, so that has been the kit. I like to keep, at this point, I store all my Diamond Art Clubs in their original box until I do them. And I like to keep my kit in the box, so if I decide that I want to go somewhere and take the Diamond Art Club with me, I can just take it with me and it's ready to go. So there's our bag of drills. Now we're going to get in here and pull it out. I don't care about keeping the bag nice because, like I said before, I don't store them in the bag. Alright. It's got the soft, velvety canvas. If you're getting your first Diamond Art Club, do yourself a favor and feel the back. It is really nice. Alright, I am going to roll this backwards. I feel like I say it every time, but you don't have to. It's a self-flattening canvas, but I like it, and the fact that you can roll it backwards is a plus, because sometimes with a double-sided adhesive, if you roll it backwards, it actually will do damage to the canvas. And well, not to the canvas, but to the glue. So with those, you're better off just pulling up the paper and laying it back down to release the tension. Alright, so 6 steps of diamond painting. Sorry, 9 steps. If you don't care about those, you can see them on the Diamond Art Club website. What we do care about, however, is this, which is a newer thing that Diamond Art Club has been doing. I only have a few paintings that have this, where they include the sticker, the specs, and a key. This is useful if you like to kit up by sticking the colors and symbols directly on your containers, which I actually really do like to do. It means that I save time by not having to look at the key or anything like that. Okay. But I haven't done a kit yet that came with a sticker, so I don't know how the adhesive is or anything on this. You'll have to ask someone who has, like Mrs. Coffee. Alright, so let's flip this one over. It's 55 by 69 centimeters. This one won't be going to work with me. And, I mean, see, I think this looks great. They aren't happy with how it came out, but I think it looks great. So, guys, go get this before it sells out. Seriously. It is gorgeous. And you can get it cheaper. Yeah. I mean, that's really all I can say. Holy cow, it looks so good. Okay, so good and sticky. I think there are 3 ABs. There's 134, 141, and 138. Yep. Those actually seem to be popular ABs for Hannah Lynn. Oh, just gorgeous. I guess I could see where the blush they might be a little unhappy with. it'll be interesting to see how that comes out, but I'm still I think it's going to look nice. All right, so we'll get into these drills. All right, so it's a very monochrome color palette. There's a lot of like blue and gray. So we have 2 bags of 310. That's not too bad. 3865, 3865. See, that's our main color. We've got 4 bags of 3865. It is a winter scene though, so it makes sense. Lots of pretty blue. More pretty blue. There's our first AB 138, one of my favorites. I think 137 is my actual favorite blue AB, but oh wow, those are some really good diamonds. Look at those. You can just tell by looking at them that they're just perfect quality. Okay, we have our more accented colors. Another AB, our green. Oh, I love that one too. I love this color. It's been popping up in a lot more of the paintings that I just got, and it's just really pretty. There's our last AB, 141, just plain old white, which of course is still pretty. There's 991, 700, and there's just something about certain ones where you can tell by how they're moving in the bag that the drills are just really super good quality. Yeah, that one too. Alright, so we'll set those aside. Alright, and we'll just take another good look at her from top to bottom. So again, this is Ice Princess by the new artist Hannah Lynn at the Diamond Art Club. And I love the snow leopard over here. And I think she's going to just turn out really nice. I think, if I recall correctly, they like took and framed like a smaller part. I think the cat's still in there, and of course the little owl. But you can go on Diamond Art Club's Facebook page to kind of see what the new framing is going to look like when they rechart it. Anyway, if you liked my video, please leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my videos, including my clearance haul that I've already filmed, but I'm going to upload after this one, even though this one got here later, despite me ordering it first, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Other than that, I will catch all of y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.